Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to restore the previous version of a published flow in HeroBot. This feature allows you to revert back to the previously published state of your flow if you mistakenly delete some clocks in your flow, or if you incorrectly make changes to your flow. Here, I have the published flow. I will make some modifications, publish it, and then revert it back to this version. There you have it. You have just learned how to restore the previous version of a published flow in HeroBot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.